In this video, you are going to learn how to create PDF reports using the VBA code generated by ChatGPT. The Excel file students list has more than 7,000 records of students' details spreading over 41 programs and about 150 sections. If we want to generate section-wise students' details, that is nominal roles, then we have to do the following steps. Just freeze the top row. So it will freeze the top row. When you scroll down, you can see the headers. Now, if we want to create a PDF report for one section, we have to filter that stream, program, batch, section and save it as PDF. So I am going to do that one. I am going to create a filter here, data, filter, go to stream, GAS, then you can select PG or UG, or you can go to program directly, BA defense, and batch. Select it, control, shift, down arrow, file, save as, C drive, PDF reports, PDF, go to options, click on selection, click OK and name it BA defense. Save. You can go and check the report there. BA defense. You can see the report here. Okay. Instead of selecting multiple filters, we can insert a column here. Instead of selecting multiple filters, you can first clear the filters and we can insert a column here. Name it as file name. I'm giving it for specific purpose. Use the formula equal to concatenate. Select the stream cell, comma. Within code, we can put one hyphen and GAS and batch also you can select, or you can select program. Okay. Comma, open brackets, hyphen, and you can select the batch also. Again, comma, within double quote put one hyphen and section, close bracket, enter. You can see the file name here, GAS MA Economics 2023 batch A section. And go to the cell E2 or anywhere, okay, and put control down arrow, it will come to the last row and go to the next cell. Put control shift up arrow and copy the formula using control D. So it will copy the formula. You can see now after MA Economics, MSc Chemistry comes. Then MCOM 23A section. Like that you can see. Control home to come to the first row. Then we have to put the serial numbers. How to put the serial numbers? For each section, serial number should start from 1. So to put serial number, we can use the formula. First put serial number 1 here. Before that, we can arrange the data or sort the data according to our need. You can sort the data, select all and go to sort section. My data has headers. Click the checkbox. Go to the filter, file name, then add level, roll number or register number according to your need. You can select. Roll number I am selecting. Okay. Now it has been sorted according to the file name and roll number. So first comes GIS BA Defense 2021 A section. Then comes BA Defense 2022 A section. Within that, roll number wise, it has been arranged. Now we can go to this cell and put 1 here and enter the formula equal to if open brackets this one equal to this one, the previous one. If there is no change, then you have to add 1 to the previous number. So select the previous number and add 1 to that. Else the number should start from 1 again. Close it. Now it is 2. Again come to the last row by clicking control down arrow, 1 right side move, control shift up arrow and copy the formula using control D. Now you can see the serial numbers have been generated successfully. After BA Defense 2021 A section, when it changes BA Defense 2022 A section, the serial number again starts with 1. Okay. Now filter the first unique value GIS BA Defense A section. Instead of selecting multiple filters here, you can select the file name here itself, which is a unique one. Select the unselect all and select the first file. Click OK. Select serial number cell. Click on Control Shift right arrow. Control Shift down arrow. So 63 students have been selected. Go to File, Save As. PDF reports, PDF options, selection, OK. Click on BA Defense. Okay, instead we can do like this also. I am repeating it again. Escape. before doing this, you can copy the clear it and copy the column and paste it as values. Now filter the first unique value and copy the cell here. Control C. Okay, now go to Control Shift right arrow and Control Shift down arrow. File, save as. Sorry. Open the PDF reports folder. Save as PDF. Options. Selections. It will be saved only the selected portion from the Excel file. That's why we are choosing this option, selection. Click on OK. And in the file name, Control V. Paste the copied unique value. GAS BA Defense 2021 A section and save it. Let us go and check it here. GAS BD. It has been saved successfully. Now when you see here, there is no header and there is no grid also. So if you want, you can add headers and grid also. Let us do it once again. Go to page layouts, print tiles. That is first dot one means the first row will be copied in every page. Then click OK. Go to page setup. Check whether paper size is A4. And instead of landscape, we can go for portrait. Margins, left margin, I can go for 1.5. Right margin 0.5. Top 3, bottom. Okay. Then go to header, custom header. Here you can type the header also. Nominal row list. Nominal row itself is sufficient here. And you can put, if you want, date, put the date also. Click OK. In footer, I have already put page, number of pages. OK. Now go again. Control Shift right arrow, Control OK. And we will put grids also. Select the cells. Home. All borders. Control Shift down right arrow and Control Shift down arrow. File. Save as. PDF reports. PDF. Options. Selection. OK. Select the already saved file. Yes, I want to replace it. Now let us go and check here. Now the file looks good. In footer, page number is also there. And in every page, the header lines also there. So we can go for the next step. Instead of, if you want to generate reports for all sections, that is all unique values, it may be more than 140, I think so. You have to do the process again and again. Select the next unique value, Control Shift right arrow, and copy the file name, go to here, control shift right arrow, control shift down arrow, file, save as, everything you have to do for 140 times. If the data changes next year, then also you have to repeat the same thing. Instead of repeating these things, we can use the Excel macros, that is VBA, we call it as VBA code. We can put VBA code in Excel and run it whenever we need to generate reports. Let us see how to do it. Give the following information to ChatGPT. I will zoom it now. VBA to select the sheet data, apply filter to selected sheet, select the unique values in column F, do the following steps. From the first unique value to the last unique value in column F. Let us check whether it is column F. Yes, column F has unique values. We can clear the filter here. Select G1 and press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Let us see here. Select G1, that is serial number, Control Shift right arrow, everything I have written here, whatever I am doing it. And press Control Shift down arrow. And step 4, save the selection as PDF in the path. Path also you have to give, and name the PDF file as the first unique value in column F. After entering the above details, ChatGPT will give a VBA code. Okay. I am copying it. Go to ChatGPT, chatgpt.com. I'm clicking it and pasting it here. Let us see how it is generating Excel VBA code. So it has generated the code. Just copy the code. Go to Excel. Go to View, Macros, Record Macro. Macro name 1 will be automatically generated. Click on OK. Go again. Stop recording. And go to Macros again. View Macros. And select the macro 1. Edit it. And replace the code with Control V, which we have copied from ChatGPT. You can see the macro name here, save unique values as PDF. Instead of that, you can rename it also as PDF or EPO, PDF reports. Okay. Now, let us delete these already generated reports. And keep it on the side. Let us go to macros, view macros, PDF reports already selected. Just run it. See the result here. 141 items have been completed. Now let us go and check the data here. Now we can see here the grid line is not visible. In the first PDF file, the grid line is there. It may be because we have created the grid line using the filter. So after BA defense, there is no grid line here. Now the see the beauty here. I am deleting all the PDF files. Data clear. So everything is selected. Now select the data and go to home. Put grid line. And 141 items have been completed. Now let us go and check the data here. Now we can see here the grid line is not visible. In the first PDF file, the grid line is there. It may be because we have created the grid line using the filter. So after BA defense, there is no grid line here. Now the see the beauty here. I am deleting all the PDF files. Data clear. So everything is selected. Now select the data and go to home. Put grid line. And since we have given the batch in the file name itself, we need not give the batch here. Okay. So I am cutting it and section also. Now you can copy instead of from G1, you can copy from I1 to L1. You can do that in the view macros. Go to view macros, PDF reports, edit it. Press Ctrl F, G1. Replace it with I1. Instead of that, you can go and check personally and replace it. Okay, first find next G1. Replace it with I1. Then G1. Replace it with I1. Only two areas. close it. Go to macros, view macros, and run it again. You can see here the cells have been copied from serial number to remas. You have to store this Excel file as macro enabled Excel worksheet, like here. Instead of Excel workbook, you have to choose macro enabled workbook and save it. I have already saved it as macro enabled workbook. Just I can replace it. Yes. Likewise, instead of roll numbers, you can replace the roll numbers with register numbers. Cut it, insert cut cells, same data, sort, file name, add level. Instead of roll numbers, you can choose register numbers. It will be arranged according to register number order, and you can go to view macros, and run it again to generate reports. Here I forgot to put the grid. Just select the columns, go to home, choose all borders. If you want, you can change the path in which the reports are stored using this view macros. Choose the PDF reports and go to edit, and you can see the path here, G:PDF reports. So if you change the path, then the reports will be automatically stored in the path given. Thank you.